A very good evening, everyone. Myself Priya is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 1st October 2020. So, today there is only one article in the editorial session, but it is a very lengthy article. So, in this editorial, we are going to cover the vocabulary part and also give you the brief analysis of whole article. So, what is the article? Justice in ruins. India cannot afford successive judicial setbacks to secular values and the rule of law. So, India is not able to afford successive judicial setbacks and also the values and the rules of the law. Okay, the ruins of the Babri Masjid were cleared in record time by the hordes of vandals mobilized for demolishing it. Okay, what is meant by hordes of vandals? Hordes is nothing but a large number of people. Okay, like a group, means you can't say it is a group, large number of people. When they heard the concert was free, they came in their hordes. Okay, hordes and vandals. Vandals is nothing but one who destroys or damages property. The teenager was accused of vandalizing wars. What is it? Vandalizing of cars. Okay, some detritus was still left though. Detritus is nothing but debris, waste, rubbish. Still, there is some rubbish. A belief among many that justice would be done and the constitution and the rule of law would upheld if the criminal code punishes those who plotted the events of December 6, 1992. Even when the Supreme Court handed over the empty site to those who wanted the mosque brought down to build a Ram temple, its recognition of the demolition as an egregious violation of the rule law gave rise to hope that the end of justice would be served by the punishment of those who mobilized the vandals. So, what is meant by egregious? Egregious is nothing but outstandingly bad. You're not outstandingly good. It's nothing but outstandingly bad and shocking, appalling, horrific. This was an egregious example of mispresentation, right? And what is meant by mobilized? Organized troops for active service, marshal, deploy. Troops have been mobilizing for the last 3 weeks, right? So what they said egregious violation means a lot. It's not up to the limit. You're not violating the law up to the limit, overcrossing anything, and you're violating the limits and all the laws. Gave rise to hope that end of justice would be served with the punishment of those who mobilized the vandals. A special CBI court in Lucknow has now cleared the remaining debris with an unconscionable judgment. So, throwing to the winds the Supreme Court's observation on the demolition, the trial court has in effect given judicial legitimation to the Ram Janmabhoomi movement by acquitting all those indicted for conspiracy to bring down the structure. Its conclusions are very drastic. So conclusions are not at all good. You can't see how are they going. So conclusions are very drastic and defy logic and fact. So like what is Ram Janmabhoomi temple acquitting? Acquitting is nothing but absolve or clear or blame, exonerate, and you can say it as discharge also. She was acquitted of all the charges against her. Okay, the court's finding the demolition was not planned in advance flies in the face of the entry of more than 100,000 volunteers into Ayodhya that day, armed with crowbars, spades, hoes, and ropes, and every implement needed to bring down a sturdy structure and clear the site. So to bring down a sturdy structure, study is nothing but it's not STUDY, it's STURDY. Study, strongly and solidly built, muscular, athletic, right? The cable was very sturdy, means the cable was very strong, right? And the next one is by acquitting all the conclusions, a draft, logic, and fact, we completed all this. The proponents of the movement, headed by the L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, and Uma Bharti, among others, had positioned themselves in vantage points to witness the occasion and celebrate with pride what ought to have caused them shame and disgust. So, what is meant by proponents and what is meant by vantage? Proponents is nothing but advocate, supporter, or you can say promoter, exponent. Okay, you're like who supports you, who advocates you. He is one of the proponents of the capital punishment. And what is the meaning of vantage? Point of view, standpoint, stance, stand. From our vantage point atop mountain, we could see the whole city below. So, and the next one is it is indeed true that it is not easy to prove a conspiracy as it essentially takes place in secret. This is where courts must draw reasonable inferences from the circumstances. But in a conspiracy of this nature, it is easy to see that those involved were marching under a banner, an image the Supreme Court had once referred to while explaining the ingredients of a conspiracy. In this case, apart from the political mobilizations and the purported intent to assemble on a particular day, the court had with it sufficient evidence that there were studied in action on the part of the state whose chief minister was one of the accused, and the unambiguous and open threats to the structure voiced by many of the movement's protagonists, the dissembling Kalyan Singh. So, what is meant by purported? Purported is nothing but appearing or stalled to be true. So, like, what if any issue is going on? If it is appear to be true, it's appearing to be purported. Okay, what is that? Is the meaning of purported. And dissembling, conceal or disguise, dissimulate or pretend. He accused the government of dissembling. Okay, the dissembling Kalyan Chief as the chief minister then had given what, in hindsight, was an obviously false assurance to the highest court and the National Integration Council that nothing but a symbolic Kar Seva would take place. Okay, hindsight, ability to understand an event only after it happened. In hindsight, it would have been better to wait. Okay, specific instructions appear to have been given to the security forces not to stop the Kar Sevaks or hinder their plans. How else would one explain the events when the crowd went into a frenzy, goaded or by provocative speeches by the dignitaries and vandals went up? They were actually trying to restrain the mob and prevent the demolition. The possibility of tampered audio and video evidence or even disavowals on record would not undo the cumulative effect of the logistical and financial preparation besides communal mobilization. What is my hindsight? Hindsight is nothing but ability to understand an event only after it has happened. So just for an example, like you're already faced of that situation, so you will understand about it. So if there is a COVID patient, here like you can say that I'm already having a hindsight of how it deals. Like, you know what are the situations you must face when you get COVID positive. That is nothing but hindsight. What is meant by goaded? Provoke, spur, prick, sting. She seemed determined to goad him into a fight. Goaded, frenzy. What is meant by frenzy? Madness, mania, insanity, uncontrolled excitement. In a frenzy of rage, she hit him. Okay, and tampered songs. Tampered is nothing but interfere. You are going and tampering in everyone's issues. Means you're meddling. Meddle, you can see interfere, tinker, alter, change. Many meanings are going to come for this. Okay. The resembling, we already completed all this. So we'll move on to the next one. Where are we? The possibility of tampered audio besides communal. Mr. Advani, who had then claimed it was the saddest day of his life, now says the en masse acquittal as a vindication of the movement. This indicates that the objective of the mobilization, exemplified as Rath Yatra, was always to alter the status quo with violence. So, vindication. What is meant by vindication? Action of clearing someone out of blame or suspicion. Okay, the Manmohan Singh Libohan Commission had laid bare the entire conspiracy in its damning report, but unfortunately a probe under the Commission of Inquiry Act has no binding value, whereas the evidence adduced to the trail alone matters. So what is my evidence adduced that the trail alone matters? So adduced is nothing but cite as evidence, name, mention, instance. None of the evidence adduced in court was conclusive. Okay, and the next one, if we move, it is, of course, the responsibility of the CBI to prove the element of conspiracy, the details of the advanced mobilization, the meeting of minds that is required to prove a plot and its broad contours. That the agency failed is no surprise. From the beginning, the police investigation has been marked by bungling. What is meant by bungling? Carrying a task clumsily. So if anyone gives you something, if you do it irritatingly or clumsily, you call that one as bungling. Don't do anything with bungling. Means you don't do anything with incompetence or amateurish. Okay, and the next one is, when the main events were covered by the two FIRs, the UP government initially failed to notify both of them while designating courts for trail. The Allahabad High Court quashed the flawed notification, and the state government's failure to rectify the irregularity resulted in separate proceedings in Lucknow and Rae-Bareli. So what is meant by quashed? Cancel, reverse, reject as invalid. The revolt was swiftly quashed with government troops. Okay. The CBI, instead of challenging the state rejection of its request for curing a technical defect, filed a supplementary charge sheet after omitting the conspiracy charge. The Supreme Court later said the joint trail resulted in separate proceedings in two places. In 2017, the Supreme Court revived the conspiracy charge, directed the trail court to resume day-to-day trial, and sternly reminded the agency that it was because of its failure and that of the state government that a crime that shook the secular fabric of the constitution had not seen justice for 25 years. Whether a politically hamstrung agency could have successfully prosecuted such a sensitive case is a moot question, but the results are there for all to see. Even allowing for the possibility that the judiciary is in close alignment with the executive, it is unacceptable to see a court going so far as to parrot the specious theory advanced with the demolition squad from the BJP, VHP, RSS family for years that the destruction was a spontaneous act. All those who went through the disgraceful phase in India's political history know that the demolition was only a culmination of a revanchist movement. The period was marked by communal mobilization, holding of processions to gather bricks meant for constructing a temple, and an attempt to storm the site in 1990, which ended in bloodshed. Given this grisly background and the grave implications that the exoneration of those who demolished a religious structure would have on public trust in judicial system, it is imperative that the CBI goes on appeal. What is meant by grisly? Grisly is nothing but causing horror or causing disgust, like gruesome, ghastly. There follows a grisly description of the execution. The cause of communal amity cannot afford successive judicial setbacks to both secular values and the rule of laws. So this is all about Ram Mandir. Still there are debates going on in this issue from 2 days, and this article is completed, and we finally completed our editorial part for today. Thank you.